What's up, everyone? It's Jibreel Muhammad back at it again with another video. This is day 2 of my server build. As we look at the server right here, nothing fancy. We're just getting into something. It's nothing better to do right now in the economy outside of really just learn. And that's what I took a chance on. So I paid $160 for this device. And so far, it is a really decent device. We got 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. That's what it came with. We're going to try to upgrade to 64. That's expensive. Then we're also looking into upgrading the CPU. So that's one thing we're looking into. But what we are running right now is i5 Generation 12. I think it's a 6-core processor. And we need at least 8 cores or 12. So we are looking at the... little gnat. We're looking at the... I believe it's an i7 Generation 12. It's an i7 12700 without the K. So if you all know without the K what that means, I know one is for like enterprise solutions, the other one is like for these types of devices. I don't know really the difference. I didn't get a chance to look it up, but drop the comments below, educate me, because this is just an educational thing. As you see, we got our video going here. First, we want to give a shout out to Sam Coleman 8275, and he said he is running Debian Linux, what Ubuntu is based on. Okay, well, man, I appreciate you. I appreciate you, everybody, literally, but I really appreciate you for commenting. I hope you're following us, man, and you can keep updated with us, because I am really going to do this and figure out everything that I need to figure out about this device, about in-home servers, about enterprise servers. And what's interesting is I work on servers at data centers, but the crazy thing is they don't even teach you about the server. They just teach you how to repair stuff. Like, I can literally repair an entire server, but when it comes to the software side and, you know, key management and all that, storage, that's where I have my problems at, and that's why we're taking this challenge. So what have we done over the last 24 hours? And let's see if I can scale this back a little bit. So far, we have downloaded Tailscale. I know it's not a whole lot of progress, but I was coding with Codex for about 12 hours last night. And when I go hard on Codex, I literally go hard. So I didn't have enough time to really give too much time to my server. And I'm sorry, my baby. I'm sorry. Me baby, I'm sorry. We're going to give more time to you. More and more time. But what I was doing was just looking at upgrades. How can I make my system do what I need it to do? And we came up with some really cool upgrades. This is what I was talking about, the i7 Generation 12 CPU. I think the CPU actually works for this device. I'm looking into a slightly better heat sink, something that can dissipate the heat a little bit better, because when you switch over to the i7, it does run a tad bit hotter. Even though it used the same wattage, it does run a tad bit hotter from my research. And also, to protect my motherboard, we definitely would like to upgrade the heat sink for more heat dissipation. You know, definitely keep the thermal paste on there properly, as we are supposed to do with that CPU. And you know, that's a big part of this. And then even going up to the 64 or 32 DDR5, expensive right now. And interesting enough, this didn't actually price in a GPU. So I am thinking about getting a GPU for this device. We're not trying to spend a lot of money on this project at all. I paid $160 for this. I paid $10 for the Wi-Fi thing. I've already had this for my other setup. And, you know, we paid for this. What I'm thinking about is paying, you know, $100 to $150 for at least 4 to 6 gigabytes of VRAM. Hopefully I can catch something cheap at DDR. I still need DDR5, but yeah, hopefully I can catch something cheap. So this is the updates right now, just kind of learning more about the software that goes into it. We haven't touched on Linux anything yet. This is going to be a day-by-day process, so don't expect me to come back tomorrow with a full Linux build with me having Kali Linux or nothing like that. We'll probably get to the Linux information in day 8, really next week. Right now, what we want to do is we just want to get a feel of what applications we're using. Right now, I am going to be using Tailscale because I need to communicate with my phone, this device, and any other device that I want to communicate with this server. So that's what we're going to be learning about more than just the Linux system right now. We want to just really understand how SSH works, how to protect that, how to protect your connections and your ports, and all of that information. So guys, I know this was a little bit longer than yesterday. I really appreciate everybody coming out and watching the video. This is a brand new channel. Holy crap. Don't know what happened to the video, but this is a brand new channel, almost 100 views in one day. And I mean, that's so freaking cool, man. I love it. I love it. You all have a great day. I hope you all have a great Friday, and just keep being great people. If you all are technologists, please comment below. Help me, please. We need information. We need good vibes and good information. Y'all have a good one now. Peace.